All right, guys. So now we've talked about um sales funnel. We talked about our niches. We've talked about what's to sell, right? So right now we are proceeding to sourcing to for product to sell. So right now we are getting closer to the real work. All right, we're getting closer to the real work. Okay. So sourcing for product to sell, it's super easy as a beginner, which is very advisable. All right. So it's either you get a PLR as a beginner, right? For someone like me, it's easier for me to just create a product, and as you go in the journey too, you'll be able to create a product for yourself. All right. So as a beginner, it's either you get a PLR or you source for product on any affiliate platform. All right, any affiliate platform. So which I think it's mostly preferable. Not, but you can sell PLR product as well, although we'll learn how to do either of them. All right. So personally, I prefer affiliate product because of the high commission. All right, you can imagine selling a product and I will get 10K commission on it. I sold a product before and I was getting 32,000 naira commission on one sale, 32K. Imagine selling 10 in a week. All right, that was like 300 plus in a week, right? So that's why I like affiliate product. So we'll be talking about all of that. So the first thing here is to first pick a niche. All right, guys, here is very important. Someone like me, I'm in a make money niche, make money online niche. We call it MMO, make money online niche. That is my niche. Some people, they're in the health niche, how to lose weight. They sell product on how to lose weight. I will show you some of them. All right, they sell product on how to lose weight, how to maybe ebooks on how to reduce your sugar level, all of these things now, all this health stuff. Some people, that's their area. So if you are a medical person or you feel you will do well in that area, of course, I have a lot of medical students, even doctors, that they are promoting the make money online niche. All right. So if I also have a lady there's this course on Expertnia that talks about birth without injury. All right, how people can deliver safely without having to go through, how to prevent going through operations, things like that. And she was doing well. She's a nurse, and she found that product on Expertnia by someone, and she was promoting it, and she was doing well. Some people are in the travel niche. I have one young lady. She's a medical student as well in Uniport. She's promoting a product on Jackpot, how to relocate to Canada. All right. So there are a lot of, products you can actually sell. All right. And I'll be showing us all of this. So the most important thing is that you pick a niche and you stick to it. So don't go here and here. I could remember there's this day one of my students came to me and she started telling me about one, is it Omega Pro or one Forever Living. I don't understand. So she was just like, okay, like she feel okay, she should share me the opportunity and I will do well with her. Like, this is my focus. Like, you have to be very, very focused on one product. All right. You can't make the million tomorrow, but it compounds over time. All right, it compounds over time. So when you start working on it and start getting people, before you know it, you start doing one sales a day, then two sales a day. Before you know it, you start doing 100K a week. You start gathering momentum, and that is how you move, right? Until you start doing your 500K, 1 million a month, right? I've done 1 million past 1 million a month before. That's no biggie. But for a new person, yeah, it might really be. But I tell you, if you set your mind to it and you're really focused on this, then you're on your path to that line, right? So secondly, after you pick your niche, like you sit down right now and okay, what do you think will work better for you? Okay, make money online niche. There are a lot of product around make money online niche. So now you now niche down again. Alright? You niche down again, alright? How will I put this, alright? You niche down. You niche down. Okay, if you are in the make money online niche, so what kind of make money? There's Amazon KDP, there's affiliate marketing, there's freelancing, there's CPA marketing. So you now niche down again. All right. If you're in the relationship niche, right? If you're in the relationship niche, you niche down to like, okay, are you targeting the singles, how to find your spouse, or how to do this, or the marriage? Are you targeting the marriage people, the married people? If you are in the health niche, what area? All right. I don't really know much about the health thing. Maybe is it how to lower your blood sugar pressure? Sorry, I don't know what that is. So, but I'm sure you understand what I'm saying, right? So after you pick your niche, you niche down again. Then you now pick one particular product. Then then you source for that product. So you niche down while you're doing your sourcing, alright? While you're doing your sourcing, so you niche down, alright? Don't forget that you pick a niche, then you niche down, alright? You niche down. If you're in the travel niche, you can, okay, maybe how to relocate to Canada. Some people, maybe UK, things like that. If you're in the health niche, maybe how to lose weight, or maybe diet, things like that. So you niche down. I don't know how I can explain this. Like you niche down completely to one particular thing. Alright, if you're in the beauty niche, maybe how to remove your acne. Alright, there are a lot of them. Some people maybe bleaching, a lot of them. Alright, so but for the other thing that will make you money right now is make money online. If you can talk about, if you find a product around Japa, how to travel to Japa system, alright? And health. Alright, health. Yeah, health and wellness and beauty niche. Yeah. I'm not really familiar with those niches, alright? So, but I can tell you they are all doing well, no matter what niche around that niche, no matter what product you pick, right? So, what next is your audience research, alright? You want to know the people you're selling to, alright? You want to know where they are, what they do, what they like, things like that, alright? So, if I'm selling now I'm selling, like this course, this training I'm doing, I'm giving you now. If I package it now and okay, I want to start selling them. I know that okay, who are my target audience? Okay, maybe 9 to 5 people that are looking to earn extra income. Okay, how old are these people? Okay, I can say I target people between the age of 24 to 35. Because I feel from 24 to 35, not 25, or 35, alright? Because I know these are the people, they are still eagerly interested in, while they can earn extra income. I can target people at 40. Why? Because most of them, I feel, most of them are now really getting old, and most of them, they are now they've really figured out a lot of things out for themselves. And most of them, their learning capacity is now, going down and all. So I feel people between 24 should have started working and can actually, I consider they can actually pay for my product, right? They can actually pay for my course. Number 2, they are in need of something, right? How they can escape 9 to 5 how they can earn extra income. So I look at within that age range, people, they have the purchasing power, then they can, and their brain, they will still have the brain capacity to actually do all of these things. Okay, I look at, okay, is it a female? Okay, female, or yeah. So what did I look at again? So where would I find these people? All right, audience research. Let me put something around this audience research. Audience research, age range, age range. Again, marital status, what they want, what the age range, their marital status, what they want, where they hang out online, that is where do I find these people. All right, where do I find these people? Like if you are selling a beauty stuff now, like maybe you are selling maybe a cream or something, you know that most likely Instagram people want to buy from you. You understand that most likely Instagram people want to buy something about beauty, you know, things like that. You get it? So you need to understand where these people are, where they hang out, you know, like that. So you make your audience research, their age range, their purchasing power, who are the people, basically who are the people that are likely to buy from you. So you make research on your audience and their pain points. You know their pain points. You know their pain points. Like what they really want, like what's paining them, like their major issue that they want to solve. All right. Okay. Some people, like for example, some people are tired of their job. All right. Like they're just tired of their job. Some people, maybe you are selling maybe a Facebook advert course. You feel that okay, people, they are not getting enough sales. They are frustrated. They are not getting money. You know. Okay, like people that want to travel out now. Maybe they don't have what's it called? Maybe there's no proof of fund, or maybe they fall to scammer, you know, things like that. So you research all of this, right? So we still go down to all of this, right? So when you determine all of this, when you research on your audience, then you start building your funnel, all right? So you start building your funnel, all right? So right now, let's go to how we can source our product. All right, how we can source our product. Okay, so that's what we'll be looking at next. All right.